Are you looking for the top 5 best nail pullers for beginners and pros? Struggling to pull nails without damaging your work? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, WorkPro 3-piece nail punch set. First up is the WorkPro 3-piece nail punch set, priced at just $8.99. This caught my attention because of its comprehensive nail punch selection, featuring 3 color-coded sizes. If you want precision and driving nails without a hitch, this is worth a serious look. This set includes 1/32nd, 1/16th, and 3/32nd nail setters, making it perfect for everything from fine woodworking to bigger DIY projects. The color coding helps you quickly grab the right size, which is super handy when you're in the middle of a project. The ergonomic grip is designed for comfort, absorbing shock and preventing slips, so you can work for hours without discomfort. Plus, it's made from durable materials like CRV with a black oxide finish, promising longevity and corrosion resistance. With over 500 units sold in the past month, it's clear this set is gaining traction among DIY enthusiasts. Now, some people mention that the tips can sometimes bend under heavy use. Here's the thing though, if you're just a casual DIYer or beginner, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still an excellent starter set that delivers precision and comfort for light to medium tasks. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into woodworking or need a reliable nail punch for occasional use.
Product number 2, Duratec 7-inch nail puller. Next, we have the Duratec 7-inch nail puller, priced at $9.99. What caught my eye was its high-strength CRV material, which promises durability for daily use. If you need a reliable tool for nail pulling and cutting wires, this might be the right pick for you. This nail puller features a blade hardness of 63 to 65 HRC, making it tough enough for most tasks. The TPR handle offers excellent grip and comfort, reducing hand strain during long projects. It's designed to resist rust and corrosion, so you can count on it staying in great shape over time. With a cutting width of 0.4 inches, it's versatile enough for various applications, whether you're doing home renovations or crafting. Plus, with over 300 sold last month, this tool is clearly making waves in the DIY community. Now, some users pointed out that the cutting width could be limiting for larger nails or tougher materials. But honestly, for everyday tasks or smaller projects, this is not a significant drawback. It's still a fantastic tool for regular use and easy enough for beginners to handle. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner or DIY newbie looking for a reliable nail puller that won't break the bank. Skip this if you're a professional contractor.
Product number 3, Klein Tools 66091 Nail Puller. Coming in at $14.98, the Klein Tools 66091 Nail Puller caught my attention because it combines a heavy-duty design with user comfort. If you want a nail puller that can tackle tough jobs while being easy on your hands, this is worth considering. This tool is crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel, allowing you to pull nails with ease and precision. It features a shock-absorbing TPR grip that helps minimize vibrations when hammering, which is a nice touch for those longer tasks. Its precision claws are designed to cause minimal damage to surrounding materials, which is great if you're trying to maintain the integrity of your work. Plus, it includes an integrated dimpler for hard-to-reach nails, making it super handy. With over 200 sold recently, it's showing promise among users who appreciate its build quality. However, some users felt that the weight of the tool made it cumbersome during prolonged use. But I'll be real with you, for the strength it provides, this isn't really a deal breaker, especially if you're looking for a tool that can deliver under pressure. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or professional looking for a reliable nail puller that balances.
Product number 4, Bates Pry Bar Nail Puller Set. Next up, we have the Bates Pry Bar Nail Puller Set, available for $15.99. What I love about this set is the variety it offers. You get 3 different sizes for different tasks. If you need flexibility in your nail removal tools, this set is definitely worth a look. This set includes 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch pry bars, allowing you to choose the perfect tool for any project, big or small. Each bar is equipped with strong steel tips for durability and precision, which is essential for tasks like woodworking or demolition. The red-coated steel handles ensure a non-slip grip, which is a lifesaver when you're really working hard to remove stubborn nails. With 200 sold recently, it's clearly appealing to both professionals and DIYers alike. Some users mention that the set is a bit heavy, which can make prolonged use uncomfortable. However, I think this weight gives it the sturdiness needed for tougher jobs, so it's really about what you value in a tool. This is perfect for you if you are a professional or a serious DIY enthusiast who needs multiple sizes for a variety of tasks. Skip this.
Product number 5. Crescent Sliding Joint Nail Puller. Finally, we have the Crescent Sliding Joint Nail Puller, retailing at $29.19. This one stood out to me because it's designed for heavy-duty tasks while minimizing damage to your materials. If you're dealing with deep nails or staples, this could be the tool you need. The sliding box joint allows you to hammer this puller into material, making it easier to extract sunken nails without damaging surrounding wood. It's made from heat-treated forged steel, ensuring that this tool can handle tough jobs without failing on you. The low-profile jaw design also means you can get into tight spots, which is essential for precise work. With 200 sold recently, it's clear that this tool is well regarded for its durability. However, some users mention that the price may be a bit steep for occasional users. But here's the thing, if you do a lot of work that requires heavy-duty tools, this investment is worth it for the long-term reliability it offers. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or someone who frequently takes on heavy projects that require serious nail pulling power. Skip this if you're just looking for something to use once in a while, as it might be overkill for casual needs. Still, for $29, it's a solid
To quickly recap, we've seen the WorkPro nail punch set, Duratech nail puller, Klein Tools nail puller, Bates pry bar set, and the Crescent sliding joint nail puller. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Klein Tools 66091 because it strikes an excellent balance between durability and comfort for serious projects. I'd recommend avoiding the Crescent if you're just a casual user, since it might not justify the higher price for light tasks. I've put all the links in the